Hey guys, it's Aditya. I am an automation expert who has built various automated systems in the past years. And in this video, we will be going over a very short and simple build, which will basically help out create one-liner icebreakers for Instagram DMs or emails. So how does the system work exactly? It is pretty simple. This system will basically go over any data of your client and then extract useful information from it and convert it into a one-liner icebreaker. So how do we use the system exactly? So it is pretty simple. You need a Google Doc, or rather, I should say, spreadsheet, and then add the name of your prospect and add any informated related website to them. So in this example, I'm using Iman and his website Monetize, but the website or the link that you add in this section doesn't necessarily need to be their business website, but any online website that any kind of information for their business. And once you have added the website and their name, it is pretty simple. Just start this automation, and for the sake of example I will run it manually. So this module only, just a second, choose where to start, choose manually. I will take that record, and now I will run it. So in an ideal case, you won't have to run it manually. You can just schedule it, and every 15 or 1 minute, depending on your plan, it will check if you have added a new lead and their website, and then it will add the icebreaker. So currently, as you can see, how this flows work before I show you the result. How this flow works is it will take information like the name, the website, use the website, and basically use get method and send a HTTP request to the website. Rather, I should do this, right? So you will map out the URL from the previous section, and once that is done, you will get the results, right? So again, let me just explain it again. So the first Google Sheet, this is the section you will make. In the spreadsheet ID, you will select the sheet name, and then in the HTTP module, you will select method get, and then in the URL, you will just map out the website, and then in the text parser, you will add the data mapping from here, and then you will send it to GPT. And the prompt that we are using for GPT is this one. So you can copy it exactly, or you can just DM me on Instagram and I will send you over the template so you won't have to make it out for yourself. So you can see the message one, role developer system, then message to user, and then this is the prompt. You can of course change the prompt to whatever you like to get whatever results you want in the form of icebreakers, right? So yeah, let's see the results. And as you can see, hey there, love what you're doing with Digital Launchpad. Also a fan of scaling e-commerce. Wanted to write something for you. And this is our icebreaker. So as you can see in this icebreaker, we have infused some of familiarity. We are sending a message in a way that it seems that we already know him, we are familiar with him, and this is the way you want to go with when it comes to sending icebreakers. And as you can see again, hey there, love what you're doing with Digital Launchpad. Also a fan of scaling e-commerce, wanted to write something to you. Again, if you want to change how it presents the icebreaker, you can change the prompt over here. This is it. Another thing that you can do to really automate it is add modules for the email softwares that you use. So instead of the data going here, it can straight go to the email software that you're using. Another thing that you can do is in front, you can add modules like you can add data scraper modules for clients rather than the website. So you can use an API scraper for phantom busters or any lead generation software, and then you can completely automate it. So you can just add a keyword that I want the leads for real estate, and then it will get the leads, get their websites, make one liners for them, and then send them to email software. So that is a pretty longer build, and if you want to see that, then I can build it out for you. But this was a pretty basic build to give you an idea of how the system looks like. Let me know in the comment what next build do you want me to build, make a video on. And yeah, thank you for watching.